Hello everyone and welcome to MindLead's YouTube channel. My name is Sarah and I am the account manager at MindLead. Today I will be showing you a tutorial video about our latest product. So before we start, I just wanted to point out that most people around the world use Gmail, right? And with great statistics about Gmail, it showed that more than 300 billion emails were sent and received daily in 2020. And this only shows us the importance of using Gmail account for our business, academia, and so on. So for this specific reason, we thought of integrating our platform to your Gmail account by introducing our exclusive and new Gmail extension that was made specifically for you to automate your lead generation and facilitate the promotion for your business. Are you excited to start and see how it works? All right then, so let's begin. So the first thing that you have to do is to log into your account. If you don't have an account already, you can just sign up very quickly. And next you can click on the extension on the bar here. You will find the Gmail extension as new products and click the button. And then it will direct you to the downloading page. So all you have to do is to install the extension and sign up with your Gmail account. Next, you can see that you can add this Gmail extension by clicking on the plus button and it will appear there. After that, if you want to log in, you will need your key. So your API key, you will find it in your account. So you copy paste it and then put it exactly at the Gmail extension and then log in. So basically that's an easy way to access to this Gmail extension. So in order to find emails, all you have to do is to put the first name of the person and the last name and the domain name of the company. And you can click on the find button and it will help you to find the email address of that person. So for example, as you can see here, we added the Elon Musk information and it just gave us the email that we need. In order to find other emails, you can just put the first name, last name, and the domain name. If you want to see in the platform, you will find the history of the email that you searched. So you will have a backup information in our platform. So yeah, thank you so much for joining this video and I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you next time. Goodbye.